What up? This your boy Tone Bone from Tone's Auto Care. And this is Equinox right here, guys. It's got the rear tailgate wasn't opening. So when I went inside of it and did a probe test and end up being the switch itself. So it's a dealer port. We got a new one from the dealer. And if you want to see where it goes, it's actually behind here. Slot there. It goes around to here. It's up inside of here. It's 2 screws to remove it. As you can see, we had 2 screws here. It's Phillips. Then we had some star screws that 2 bolts here, and here. And pretty much that's it. And this is the plug for it here, so it plugs in at the top of there. So yeah, I mean it's you know, it's a pretty easy job, man. I mean, if your car's not, your rear gate's not opening, you know, manually or anything, and it's to get in. Actually, if you stick your finger, it's gonna be a hold on the thing. This little hook here. Just push it forward. It's gonna be a hold. It's just the emergency. See this here? If you remove this, you can get it out and you stick your finger in it and you can open it up from, you can open it manually with this little switch here. So yeah, hope this helped you guys out.